Hello everybody, today I have an unboxing for you of this Lexar portable SSD, and it's a reminder for you to take mission critical backups of your data. Let's open it up. There it is. There it is. It's a very slim SSD. In the package they include a very short cable, like that. And it's very important to back up your data so you don't lose any precious photos, video or anything that you have worked so hard on. So find a solution. Here's an example of that.
And I can assure you that this SSD is 100% Linux compatible and it's very fast. The write speed is so that if you have a terabyte of data, it takes only about 15 minutes to copy a terabyte of data to this disk. It's amazingly fast.